Welcome back guys, thank you very much for joining me. I've had a quick email, and this is just an add-on video really, and we assume everybody knows. Somebody asked me, how do you clean the copper pipe before you put it onto the fitting? Well actually, it's quite easy, it's very easy, okay? What we've got, what I use, this is what I use. There is cleaning strips, which you can buy them in 10 or 25 pack. They're about 4 to 6 quid, roughly. And this is all they look like once you use them. Just literally mesh strips. And how they work is very easy. You've got the end of your pipe like so, and it's filthy, it needs cleaning. So what we do is we just put the wrap round it, and we do that. You don't bang stuff, but you do that. And then, lo and behold, it's all nice and polished, ready to go. So in this situation, you literally bang your flux on, bang your fitting on, and you're ready to solder, guys. That's it, job done. Now, there is also another tool, which I use quite frequently. It's just called a pipe cleaner. If you just type in pipe cleaner on Google, this will come up. This is a Silverline one. It's about, I think it's about 3 quid. But these last a lot longer, and it's a deburrer as well. I don't really use it for that. Because what you do is with this, you pop your pipe in there. Obviously you've got 15 and you've got 22mm. 22mm cleaner, 15mm cleaner. So what you do is you put your pipe in there like so, into your 15mm. You just pop it in like that. And you just turn it. And it does exactly the same thing, guys, okay? So you don't even need to do it that many times and it looks amazing already. And then you've got 22mm, so we'll try that while we're here. So you've got your 22mm side like so. You chuck your pipe in, so it's in like that, and you turn it away. Boom, off you go. You can even do that, look, turn it around with your fingers, really. Do whatever you want, really. As long as it feels comfortable and it does the job. That's all she wrote, guys. That's all she wrote. And then you just chuck your fitting on there like so. Obviously after your flux, and you're away. You're away, kid. Go on, crack on, solder on. And then the other side of it, guys, is the cleaning. So you'd use this to clean inside your fitting. Obviously this is quite a nice little shiny fitting as it is. But what you do is you pop that in there and you just twist. Like so. Just do that. All the way through. Bang. But if we had an old fitting, you'd be able to see. But it shines it all up. In fact, I'm going to find the old fitting. Right, so here we go. I've got an old 22mm socket. It doesn't look great inside. As you can see, it looks like a bag of looks rubbish. So what I'm going to do is get that, chuck that in. Bish bash bosh. Way. Oh yes. It's like new. Look at that, look. Look at that. It's like new. It's beautiful, that is. Sold that no problem. So, I know it was a quick video, but that's how I clean pipe, and that's how everyone should clean pipe. We should make sure it's pristine before you solder, pristine before you put the flux on, and then of course wipe it and clean it with a rag and some wire wool afterwards as well, to make sure the fitting's clean, safe, and it's not going to wear away over time and cause you problems down the line. So I hope that gives you some sort of inclination, guys. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for joining me, guys.